Hey there Tesla fans, Aaron here with Rats Tesla, and another video today from a new product that I got from a new vendor called Arcoche. I hope I'm saying that right. It's ARCOCHE.net, and I'll put the website right down here for the whole video and their logo over here. A new company that's reached out to me. They've got a couple products that they've sent me, and today's video is going to be one that I think will interest a lot of people. And really, now that I look at it and I've seen it, it can be used in other vehicles outside of a Tesla, and we'll talk about that in just a moment when we unbox this product. But thanks for watching Rats Tesla. All right, so today's video is about this. It is a Tesla screen phone holder. It's made of steel and plastic. It's compatible with anything that has MagSafe. This is a magnetic holder. It does stick to the back of the screen, but I think there are a lot of other applications where you can use this, and I think I actually have one that I'm going to use this for instead. So let's unbox it first, look at the product, and then we will get to the installation in the car. So as we pull this open, there's just a couple pieces in it. There's the main magnetic piece with a little bag, and then there's the piece that sticks to the car with a nice full 3M tape on the back of it. Now the cool thing about this one is it has the ball. It's adjustable this way. This part, you can loosen this up, and then this can move up and down. But here's something that I really like. I've put a couple of these on my car, and it never fails that you can't quite put them where you want because the roundness of this will force it to be just a little bit off. But if you can see, I don't know if you can see on here, we'll try and get this, but at each of these marks where you see the white, these all bend, so you can break these off and make this holder just a little bit smaller. So you can fully adjust this so that it's long, so you can tuck it in behind the screen. So imagine my hand is the screen, and we'll show when we go out in the car here in just a second, but my hand is the screen, so you can tuck it behind the screen. You can extend it way above the screen and lock it into place and be good to go there. And then it comes with this other piece, and let's talk about this here for just a second. So inside here, well, let's first go into this bag. Inside the bag is all the things you need to help you get this mounted. It comes with a little Allen screw, and that is for when we get to installing these other pieces. To make this tighter, you can tighten this little Allen up on this so it doesn't rotate as easy. So you need that. It comes with wipes, a wet one and a dry one to be able to clean the area where you're going to put it. And then it also comes with a metallic ring that you can put on any phone case. And I will tell you, I have a MagSafe case on my iPhone. It's very strong, and it looks like it's separating, but that's actually my phone case, the phone case itself right there. If we take and pop the case off of here, they claim that their magnets are stronger than anybody else's. And so let's see, there you go, no case on. I'm wiggling it and it's not even budging. Now to take it off, it's a pretty good strong pull to take that off. So very good on that piece. You can see it's got a different kind of design. You can see the magnets around that. And the thing I like about this one is you have to put this piece together. So in order to do that, on the back side here, there's a little round nut. You're going to take that completely off and just kind of put it over the end of the little ball joint there. Then you'll take this piece and pop it on there. You'll hear it click. And then this piece just tightens up on there, and that's how you adjust the way it wants to sit. So now again, imagine over the back of the screen, right? I can take this and tuck it away. I can swing it up, you can swivel it around and move it wherever you want. And I think that is what is going to make the application for this one so cool. I think there are way more places you can put this than just a screen. And not only that, but the way it's made and the way everything works, I don't think you have to limit this to just a Tesla. There are so many other vehicles that you could put this in, and I think my camera just changed the lighting of this video, and if it did, I'm sorry if it changed that up and it made it bad or made it better and it wasn't good before. But as I said, you can put this in just about any vehicle. I mean, if you put this on your car and stick it to the car, you can have it swung out like this and you're good to go. Now, this is listed on their site for $35.99. It is not a chargeable one. It's just a holder for the car. If you're not looking for charging, this will be perfect. And I have a really good application that I want to try this on. And so let's go put this in the car. Let's go see how this looks and functions in the car. Okay, so now we're in the car, and typically you would put this on this side of the screen, right here on the left side of the screen. Here's the application that I think I'm going to use this one for, and that is somewhere on the back side of the steering wheel. And that is because then I can have my phone there and use it as a heads-up display. So there's, like I said, there's a ton of different ways to put this in your car. You're gonna want it on the driver's side, and I don't know how well you can see it, but because my screen tilts, I put mine on the passenger side. So the best way to do it is to go, I like to put it, well, what I really like to do is to set this about halfway and then tighten it down so you can see we're about halfway between the top and the bottom, and that gives you a little bit of adjustment room when you put it on. So I'm going to put it on so it's almost right to the edge, even between the circle and the edge of the screen. And I'll put pictures up here on the side as I'm doing this so that you can see what I'm doing. So I've already cleaned the back, so now we'll go ahead and peel the tape. And again, this can be put just about anywhere you want. So where you put it is up to you, but it's really as easy as peeling the tape off, getting it into the spot where you want it, and then squeezing it into place. And once you have it in place, then this is very adjustable. So let me change the camera up so you can see a few of these different angles and understand how I put this on. So like I said, I like to put mine on the passenger side, because if you'll notice, if I were to put mine here and set it there, my phone would be blocked by the stalks. So I put mine on the passenger side, and you can see that it clips on there real nice. And this is all adjustable then, so that you can get it nice and tight against the screen right there, and everything lines up just the way you want it to. And then, like I said, you can pop your phone off of there and tuck it away, and it can't be seen except for from the back side. Swing it back out, put your phone on it, set it up the way you want, and it is very, very sturdy there. Very good product from our friends over at Arcoche.net. Like I said, I have the link, or the website on the bottom. I have the link in the description, and everything else that you need to know is in the description, and the discount code is down below as well. All right, so that'll do it for today's video. Quick video on this install on this phone holder from our friends over at Arcoche. They sent me another product. I'll have that up, that video up later this week. But really, really good product. I really like it. That phone is sturdy. It sits there just right. Remember, this is just a phone holder. It is not a MagSafe charger. So if you're looking for a MagSafe charger, don't buy this one by accident. Now, I will tell you that They sent me this product for free, and I'm going to leave it in my car, and we're going to test it out, and it looks really good and it works really well. But you can go onto their website, again, link down below, and use the discount code that I have for you and get a good deal on this. It's like $35 right now, but you can get a discount off of that. So as always, thanks for watching today. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit that bell button so you know when the new videos come up, and make sure that you hit the like button if this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching today, and we will catch you in the next video.